Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix the issue with Facebook on your Shopify store. So here I am in my Shopify homepage, and sometimes there is a problem with the application right here in Shopify. So make sure you have this Facebook and Instagram app, and then if you are encountering some errors, so maybe there is a bug, so what you need to do first is that you need to uninstall this application. So just like this. And then what you need to do is that you just need to install the app again. So here on the search bar, just type in Facebook, and then you should see this Facebook and Instagram app. So this is the official app by Meta, so that you can go ahead and connect your Facebook account with your Shopify. So just go ahead, install the application right here, and then you can now try connecting your Facebook account again. So just go ahead, click connect account, and then just do the prompt right here so that you can connect your Facebook account. So now I have connected my Facebook account right here. I can just click get started and I can connect my Shopify with Facebook, and then so that my products right here is connected to my Shopify and then Facebook account. So if you are still encountering some problems, maybe there is a problem with your browser's cache history. So what you need to do is that you need to go to the settings of your browser, go to the history, and then what you need to do is that you need to delete browsing data, more specifically the cached images and files. So just go ahead and choose the date for your deleting the browser data. So I prefer it's either the last 7 days or all of your cache images and files right here, so that you can delete the cache images and files that are causing some problems with connecting your Shopify and Facebook. And then just go ahead and click delete data and see if that works. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the issue with Facebook right here for your Shopify store. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.